What's going on, internet? Welcome back to another Crown Racing Co video. In this video we are pulling Steve's LS1 out of his 1997 Corvette, and we are doing it because we need to replace the clutch, flywheel and pressure plate on his car. I don't know if you guys know about 97 Corvettes, but there's an issue with the pressure plates where at high RPM the clutch pedal will stick to the floor, and Steve has that issue. So we're going to pull Steve's engine out, replace the clutch, and while the engine's out, of course, we're going to service the engine and put some other goodies in it before we put it back in. So let's get started with getting this old engine out of the Corvette.
All right, you can lift this out of the way and I'll do the leads once it's out. Thank you. Good. Yep. When you get a second, tighten that hose clamp, or just make sure it doesn't fall off. Keep it on there. Bring me the whole set. I don't know the bolts like you do on your Mustang. I'll have to try multiple.
I did it.
Thanks for doing all the hard work, guys. So I can.
Yeah, how's it looking there? Really good, actually.
Time to find that someone put an iron block in this car, though. Not even what I thought it was when I bought it.
All right, we gotta get the pictures while she's still in the air.
No, that's a crack.
I mean,
that's a big ass crack.
Bring it down, Steven.
I've never clutch kicked it, not once. So if you guys didn't know, this is what a Corvette drive shaft looks like. We call it a torque tube. And this is the engine side. So it's a hard mount connection between the engine and the transmission in the back of the car. So this is the input shaft for the torque tube. It is not supposed to do this. That is very bad. We need to fix that. To fix that, we're gonna disassemble this torque tube. We're gonna pull this drive shaft out. T56 has an input shaft that slides right in there. So we got a couple snap rings, we got some stuff to undo, but while you're there, you might as well upgrade, right? So this is a upgraded, hardened input shaft. And you can see that we have way more teeth engagement here. More surface area means it can handle more force. So this is for higher horsepower and it's heat treated. This is very strong. Okay, can you kind of hold that for a second? Is it still filming? Pull it all the way out. Wait! Is that the Guibo?
Yeah.
It's gone! This is all rubber from the Guibo that we just pulled out. And wires. So this is supposed to be this. Steve, you were literally 2 to 3 clutch kicks away from drive shaft failure. Not in. push in with the guns. We don't split these stars. Yep. Ready? Yep. guys, that's it. Torque tube fully reassembled. It spins freely. It spins really nicely. And if you guys remember from the before, there is no play now.
And it's a new day, and we left off rebuilding the torque tube with you guys. That is done, and not only is the torque tube rebuilt, it is installed. Here's the front. You can see our ratchet strap is holding up the front.
That's just for safety. There's a jack under the car.
Yeah, there's a jack.
That's just in case.
So me and Steve got done reinstalling the torque tube into the car. See, there's the transmission. The whole rear subframe is back installed. All the wiring harness, the ABS, all of that crud is installed again. So now we got to finish prepping Steve's LS1 to put it in his C5. And we are in a time crunch because we have a drift event in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks.
The original plan is we were going to send this LS engine out, get it serviced, like the full 9 yards. But instead, since we're on a time crunch,
we're just doing a touch and go.
Yeah.
The engine ran totally fine, and we're just gonna slam this thing back in the car because this was supposed to be a clutch job, just a clutch job, and now we're here. So we're just gonna run this until it blows up, and then we're gonna go really crazy later on with a different 350 small block Chevy. But for right now, this is just gonna go back in. Those cables. Correct. Mark, what I would like to do is get the harness connected, then go for the torque tube.
I didn't bring a light.
Mark, talk to us. Where are we right now?
we just got back. We just went through hell and back, but we're done. The engine is in. Look at it. Look how good it looks.
Yeah, well, I think the bolts are gonna get in there. Yeah, don't drop any.
I'm sure it'll work. Oil pressure, 58 pounds at idle, so that new oil pump is doing dreams. It's actually a little high for idle, but I'll take it. Checking the clutch out. Working just as God intended. AFRs look good. All of that work coming together, and it looks like we're gonna make it to the drift event. Must be nice being Marcus with his car all done, ready to go.
Dude, are you filming here, bro? I'm filming here, man. It's any of this footage. You can't use it. It's mine. I'll copyright your page.
It's a lot easier if you keep your foot in front of the pegs and you just kind of let the motor push you around on the ice. It's a lot of fun.
Bro, this shit is difficult. A beautiful Michigan winter day.